Hello everyone, the Bowers & Wilkins Px7S3 boasts the best sound quality among wireless noise-canceling headphones. The link is available in the description. You can check for the best price. Let's start. Design. The Bowers & Wilkins Px7S3 has a design that's both familiar and new. While it looks similar to its predecessor, there are subtle differences. I love it. First off, the canvas white colorway I'm reviewing is stunning. It's also available in anthracite black and indigo blue. All the colors are stunning. Sound quality. Bowers & Wilkins is renowned for its exceptional sound quality, and the Px7S3 doesn't disappoint. The highs are bright and clear without being harsh, and the lows are expansive, regardless of whether you're listening to the highs or mids. The noise canceling has been significantly improved, and the additional microphones significantly improve noise isolation, allowing you to hear clearly even on a busy Saturday morning. ANC and call quality. The noise-canceling performance of the Px7S2E was quite good, as was the third-generation model of the British brand's premium over-ear headphones. Thanks to the carefully placed 8-microphone array, the Px7S3 creates a remarkably strong barrier between you and the outside world. While it doesn't have the perfect bubble effect of Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones, the organic sound of B&W is quite satisfying, but not class-leading. Battery life. Bowers & Wilkins doesn't claim incredible battery life with the Px7S3. Instead, it offers a decent 30 hours of battery life. This should be sufficient for most people, as they're likely to be near the charger most of the time. This battery capacity falls somewhere between Sony and Bose. The WH-1000XM5 boasts 34 hours of battery life, while the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra offers a slightly shorter 24 hours. At the end, the Bowers & Wilkins Px7S3 are excellent over-ear headphones. They offer a clear, detailed, balanced sound with a wide soundstage. The noise canceling is comparable to Bose's in terms of blocking out external noise, and they're lightweight, comfortable, and offer a long battery life. That's it for today's rundown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you in the next one.